Welcome to this video on how to use blends in Adobe Illustrator. Here is a photo of a Corvette that I want to use to show how the blend feature works. I also show how I draw with the pen tool and how to select the colors with the eyedropper tool. The photo is placed on the bottom layer that is locked. I have already created all the elements that are in front of the body. As you can see here, when I turn off, those are the elements. In this way, I prepare for the most difficult part of the drawing process. There are two ways to create the fading look on the body: gradient and blends. The gradients are also already made, as you can see when I turn on that layer. Those were the gradients. I open the photo layer again, and then I must make the blend. The first blend I make is made of three shapes that I find by looking at the colors in the photo. The dark color here, lighter, and then a lightest color up here. I use the eyedropper tool and pick up the dark color. Then I use the pen tool and I draw that shape behind. Dark shape, and it goes up here, like that. I select the tool, copy it, and paste it back. This copy, while it's still selected, I use the eyedropper tool and pick up the middle red color here. Then I use the reshape tool or the direct selection tool and reshapes the shape here all the way back there. I can make this line a little more smooth. When that is made, select it and copy and paste it back. Then I use the eyedropper tool and select the lightest of the red color. And again, the direct selection tool to reshape like that. Come all over there, and that one up there. I drag there, and then I select the three shapes, and Object, Menu, Blend, Make. Turn off photo layer so you can see I have made blend. The next blend begins behind the first blend. This blend also contains three shapes. I select eyedropper tool and pick up the light color there. And then I use the pen tool again to make that shape. Move around the fenders, just close to the other one, and around the fenders a little bit here. Then down in the front of the car. And then just back, and I close the shape. This shape I need to move it back, so I arrange, then to back. I select the shape, copy, and paste it back. Then I select the eyedropper tool again and select that red color here. Use the direct selection tool again, and drag shape, reshape it. That, and I just turn that a little there. Select the shape again, copy, and paste them back. Eyedropper tool, and I select the dark color there. Then reshape tool, like that. Select the three shapes, object, blend, make. Can't see the photo in. Some small here I have to change, so just click there and reshape it so there are no white holes there. Also down here is a hole. Down there is one. No more white spots. I unlock the photo layer and drag the photo up so you can see the difference between the two, the drawing and the photo. You might say, why are you making that? They look just the same. But the difference comes when you zoom in. Zoom in here. Zoom out again. Zoom in on the same spot here. Now you can see the difference. Delete the photo. And I have left the drawing with blends, gradients, and a lot of shade.